Hi guys, welcome to REducate. In this small video, I will show you how to create a blog like REducate. So, uh, creating a blog, we need domain and hosting. So, what is the domain and hosting? Domain is your website name, like reducate.in. This is a domain. Then, what is hosting? Hosting is a space you can store your web files. So that is that is hosting. So so many companies are provide or domain and hosting in internet, so you can find and you can buy it. So I have given some popular companies links below. You can go and buy it. So let's start our video. After getting your domain and hosting, go to your uh, log in your uh, hosting provider page. After login, go to cPanel. In cPanel, you can scroll down, then you can find WordPress. You can easily install WordPress. So click WordPress and install now, and select your domain. I will select blog.reducate.in and remove this. Next, your site name, blog, and this is reducate blog. You can specify it, and this is important, admin login. So I will create it. You can create it and scroll down, check it, default, WordPress basic, and install. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes. It will be installed automatically. So after successfully install the WordPress, this page will be open. So we will look my our website, how it will look. I will open blog.reducate.in. So see, this is a basic WordPress look. We'll change it in backend. So installing themes, creating pages and posters. So how to go our backend? So the simple way, you can slash wp dash admin and enter. This is login page. You can log in. So this is a WordPress dashboard. You will see this is WordPress dashboard. You can manage your WordPress website this place. So how to install theme like reducate blog? So we'll go to appearance and themes. We'll find one theme called new. So this is a free for use. Activate it, then go to your site and refresh it. So this is new blog. So we will customize it. How to customize? Here is a customized button. You can click here and customize it. See, this is a page. First, we need to change some settings. So I will show you how to change it. Go to backend. This is WordPress dashboard, and come to settings and reading. Here you can select your where is your posters show. So this is your latest posters are in home page only. So this is already set. You can choose your home page separately and blog separately. Here home page and posters, you can static page select. Okay, then we will customize it. We'll first create a post, simple post. This is already hello world. I will create new one. Enter your title. This is my first post. Then enter your anything you need, and tags, customize, add some one future image. I will add some one future image, anyone. And and publish it. So our post will be published. Then go your website, blog.reducate.in, and see, here is your post. So how to create a page? Go to WordPress dashboard, and this is a pages. Over intent, add new. Click to add new. This is our page, like post. So add new page title. I will create about us. Then I will type RHK is an online learning platform you can learn here about WordPress and this is a Grammarly Google Chrome extension. This is free, you can use it. Press and online business. That's it. I will publish it. First page. So how can add pages in your menu? So I will show you how can you add. Go to WordPress dashboard and come appearance and click menus. Here you can add your pages in menu. Create your first menu. There is no menus are here. First menu, this is a main menu. I will create main menu, create new. Then after creating, I will put my pages in menu. That's it, and save it, and see about us page will be show here. See, this is about us page. So that's it. It is very simple and easy. After uh, you will know how to create a post and pages and how to add your page in menu. Then we'll create a footer. So you can create, so first you add your logo here. You can customize and you can, here you can add your logo and site identity. So this is you can change your logo clicking here and upload your logo here. Say I will upload this one and crop. You can see our logo will be uploaded. Then you can change about us will be here. You can see one line will be below. So here, so how to create it? See here, you can come, click here first and then layout style. Here you can find menu, sorry, and publish it. See here, you will, line will be here. So you can also add your menu icons also like this. Here you can shop, I will added a cart, sites I will added a site symbol. You can add this also, watching our video in our YouTube channel. So that's it. So that's it, our blog will be ready. Next we'll create a footer menu. Simply customize and you can find a option like footer. There is a footer, click here and you can easily customize it. Copyright at 2022, designed and developed by REducate. That's it, and publish it. Simple blog will be ready. Hello world, this is a simple uh, default blog post. We'll delete it. Go to posters and add posters and click to trash. That's it. Simple. This will be, refresh it, delete it. So thank you for watching. You can create a blog like easily. You can find some domain and hosting provider. I will give a links in my description. Go and check it if you want, and subscribe my channel and support us. Thank you so much. See you later.